Hello, hello. Okay, that works. The parameter is incorrect. Oh. Let me try the other one. Hold on a second. Hello, hello. Okay, think I'm back. There we go. Good morning. Good morning, Rob. We got a flat NASDAQ. We have a flattish Tesla and a couple things up pretty big today. PFPT, whatever that is. Good, good. Thank you. Yeah, no, I had to restart my computer, so my RTX voice dropped a bunch of stuff. It looks like. How's your weekend? I took a couple days off. Took Friday off, Saturday, Sunday. Really don't look at any charts. I looked at Bitcoin twice, once Saturday, once on Sunday. Haven't taken any action yet. Is MVAS on your radar? AITX. Yeah, looks like it's starting to move up a little bit. Volume a little light, but it's trying to retake that 50-day today. That's not too bad. And WDLF. Gave him a hard retest to that 1 cent level and then bounced right back. Okay. Can't be mad at it. Can't be too mad. Tesla's up 2%. Looks like leading big caps today. UAL, MA, AMD up there. What's up, Lay? Amazon, Zoom, Nvidia, Adobe, Starbucks, Moderna leading the pack down today. For which one? WDLF? Oh, sorry, that one came on quick. Did you guys hear that sneeze by chance? I was curious. Yeah, I bet that was 30%. Yeah, between one and two, it took up a majority of it. I think it was, looks like it was more than 30%. 37, as high as almost 50. Yeah, that was big. News. Let's see, that was on 4/21/21. So this one, accepting Bitcoin. Awesome. That's awesome. And additions to strategy board, and 23rd was accepting Bitcoin, and it didn't do much on the 23rd. Actually sold off. That's pretty funny though, accepting Bitcoin. That's cool. Cryptocurrencies are it, man. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah. All right, up 7%. Missed AIT. Yeah. I mean, it may come back down. It hasn't really had like a massive run or anything, so it could flounder lower. It looks like you got resistance here at about 15. We're at 11, so we're still. I mean, you're still technically low. You're never going to get the bottom print on everything you like. So if you do like something and you do see it lower and you like it, that's the key. Not if I like it, but works for what you do and all that jazz, you know? Hey, what's up, Ellie? So I just opened my blinds and looked out at my front yard. Um, we had my son James's seventh birthday party over the weekend, and as a dad, I usually take tons of videos of my kids because I don't remember anything, and I figured it'd be good for them to have recordings of stuff so they could remember stuff, and I think that's kind of cool. But my phone memory was pretty damn full, and I was also manning. We did a pinata, and I was also managing the pinata. Um, the names of my kids. Let me get my list. Hold on a second, Ellie. Let me get my list. Steve. No, that's the carpet guy. James and Ethan. There we go. So, James was swinging at the pinata. We got a pinata for him. It was a dinosaur. It was actually pretty cool. And so there were two girls as the party kids from his preschool from back in the day, and most of Ethan's friends actually have turned out to be kind of family friends, and James likes them too, so they were all there. So it was like a bunch of kids lined up, and we let the two little girls go first. Two little girls go, they hit it. Oh, nice, Rob, nice. So two little girls hit the pinata, and James comes up. First swing decapitates the T Rex. Just fucking decapitates it. the the one time I don't have take video, and my kid decapitates a T Rex. I'm like, damn it. Uh so yeah. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. Just take time the day before to go through your phone and transfer shit to your computer. T Rex decapitation. Pretty rare from a pinata party. Like it was perfect. So the thing had only been hit like three times between the two girls, and it was James's first swing, so no one else got to hit this pinata. No, so I let the kids take swings at it as I kind of held it and ducked for dear life. Pretty fun overall. All right, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Pretty amazing. All right, PLO actually not in a horrible spot, breaking a little bit of a downtrend. Volume this morning's pretty good. Could be on the way back up. Market is chilling at highs above the middle Bollinger Band on the Nasdaq, so not bad from that perspective. No, well, the rope was tied to the top to the back of the head actually of the dinosaur. It's still sitting in the yard. I'm looking at it. So so no, it basically died and all its guts spilled out through its neck. Which maybe that can happen to real life in a T Rex. They got some pretty big necks. You never know. My EXPI is up 4%. There's a potential low buy here, right down there by the 200 period moving average. It was pretty epic though. I do have to say. It was a pretty ridiculous. It was. Wish I would have got that on camera, man. That'd be funny. Straight up sliced it. Shing. It was great. January 2023 for EXPI. Way down here. I usually don't like stocks down this deep, but I do like EXPI. 90. So that would be 55, and that'd be $50. So 50, that's about a 400% gain. You can probably get it for cheaper than 1470. So that's for January 2023. That's a 2 year option on EXPI, going all the way back. And 148%, probably just give it to 80, which would be 121%, which isn't too bad. Let's look at yeah, Bitcoin ain't fucking stopping this morning, huh? Yeah, XPI is down significantly. I do believe that the company is still in a good spot. So yeah, this is the company that has digital a digital brokerage for real estate. Next year, 81%. EPS last 5 years, sales last 5 years, 100. It's just huge numbers out of EXPI. Wow, it's up 754%, still from the 52-week low. That's going all the way back over here. That's tremendous. EPS this year, EPS next year. Yeah. Sales, I mean, look at this. Quarter over quarter sales, 122%. It's pretty amazing. Still really good. I like EXPI. Doing big stuff. How was that about? I hate this. I hate this fucking this website these idiots are building is horrible. It doesn't work anymore. Still 98% relative strength. That's weird, man. It looks like I'm signed in. It's not giving me quotes today. I'll have to check it out. All right. Um, May 6th earnings, market cap. So, yeah, EXPI back down here. Pretty interesting position. I mean, nothing super major. Looks like our downward momentum has slowed down. Are getting some decently good volume candles, but no egregious bottoming, no major accumulation. Some good candles up here above the 40 level. That's not too bad. Looks like Tesla's come back down. Nasdaq's flat, which has pretty much been flat all morning. Right, blockchain having a good day today. All right, PFPT. That must be they must be getting bought. Merger. Yep, acquisition proposal. Yeah, you see it's something that high, that tight like that. That's an acquisition. Okay. So, peace out. MVIS, Microvision. Wow, look at Friday. Friday with a huge up day, and then today trying to follow through. So this one actually closed up here at about the 23.75. We're still a little bit under that, about $1 under that. 18 cents at the low to 22 at the high. Jeez, that is a move. Is me or is that like a 100x? Yeah, it is. 10,000%. Damn, what is that? Is that microvision? Tiny lasers. New Wall Street Bets favorite? Uh oh. What's going on there? Laser scanning, 3D sensing, projection technology. Most mentioned stocks on Wall Street Bets. Jeez. MVIS, huh? Tiny lasers, yeah. By a long shot. Oh, this is over time? So this is only over like today or yesterday or something. Huh. All right. Well, for whatever reason, I mean, it's looking pretty good. Let's look it up on FinViz. You guys got anything else on your radar? Yeah, I was gonna do EXPI. I was gonna look at this going back to 90. Yeah, it's about doubling your performance, about 250 53%. Or I said 80. Yeah, you can go at the money there, still get 188%. That's keep in mind that's going out like just under 2 years, a year and 9 months. That's pretty good. So there's MVIS. Earnings aren't very spectacular. Sales are also not very spectacular. Margins very good. Market cap's kind of slow. Oh, did you? Oh no, I didn't notice that. Thanks, Ellie. That's helpful. Yeah, there you go. Tesla. Bam. Woohoo. Twitter, Tesla. Stuff Twitter is a favorite. That's funny. I don't really use the favorites part that much. I should though. Did you change the colors? Looks like the colors are a little different too. Looks good. Good job. Thank you, sir. Really? Ew, I'm sorry. Jeez. Did you get did you get a new computer? I'm tripping. Yeah. Fully possible. Fully possible. All right. Cool. Well, thanks. Yeah, you must have got a new computer, man. I don't. Yeah, I try to get. I told you I tried to start programming in Vue again a while back, trying to do something for my kid. Yeah, that didn't work out for me that day. Just even I couldn't get stuff to work the way I wanted to, even locally, which is a bit of a pain in the butt. Oh, sorry, that sucks. You couldn't just log into the. It was Heroku, right? You can just log into Heroku and just they don't let you edit text in there. Probably not, huh? For some, I'm assuming that was just a one line change. That's crazy. Well, seeing as how our world is based on Tesla or not Tesla, that's a pretty good. It's a pretty good change these days. But yeah, look, this MBIS stock looks like it's starting to go, and if Wall Street Bets is behind it, it's a little bit iffy. I don't like this kind of stuff generally. A lot too much, too many unknowns. Look at the stock twits feed. Just fucking crazy people. Oh yeah, are they short? They mentioned shorts. What's their short float? 20%. Yeah, so maybe they did take Wall Street Bets. Wall Street Bets is short hunting. I bet you CEOs have accounts on Wall Street Bets now, just trying to pump their own companies that are heavily shorted. It's 9,500% from the 50. Oh yeah, we already looked at that. Yeah, that's a lot. 9,500% from a 52-week low. That's crazy. That's a lot. Those are some numbers. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, those are numbers. Don't believe me? Look at numbers. Those are them. All right, PLL stagnant. Yeah, not much going on today either, huh, guys? Yeah, what's our topic of conversation today? Amazon flat in its little baby flag. Not such a bad thing. That's Sherman Williams, not Apple. There's Apple. Apple's got its own little baby flag. Not too bad. API, XPev down here, Zoom, all these guys, prior runners, not getting going. These aren't leaders, these are just runners. Zoom's a leader, but it's out of cycle because the world's trying to slowly get back to normal. Trying to, emphasizing that. Adobe looks good above its channel. And I got a little person joining me here. Hey, James. I was telling everyone about when you decapitated the dinosaur a little bit ago. Was that fun? Yeah. Wish you would have saw it, huh? Yeah, it's okay. Well, you did it. You just take comfort knowing that you're the one that decapitated the dinosaur. Nvidia is chilling a little bit. Donkey Kong still hasn't rebounded. Apple CRM. Peloton in line with Zoom, probably not doing much. Actually, under the 200A now. Moderna, Microsoft. There's MasterCard. All right, MasterCard with a new high this morning, marching in the right direction. However, so slowly. Tesla SI, crypto bank, taking a bit of a breather after being up a bejesus amount. PLL Cyber, Soxel. How's Soxel doing up here today? That's not Soxel. That's Soxel. So Soxel, choppy and in a range. This you could almost try to classify as a diamond top. Still pretty lopsided though. I don't think it quite works, but it's at least defined. Looks like it's trying to head in the right direction though. Support at the 50-day here in the past week or so. Nothing super bad from that perspective. Fubo. Lower Lemonade. Had a pretty heavy conversation with JJ over Lemonade. And not too bad here, finding support at the $80 level. Yeah, I'm not too mad at Lemonade. I just don't think it's I just don't think it's Tesla. That's all. Yeah, Lemonade. You like Lemonade, James? Yeah. You like insurance? What do you know about insurance, James? And he's retreating from the conversation. All right. Cell H. Oh, Cell H is trying to come back. Oh, did you? You want to have him? You gonna have him put a press release out or something? Or are you just gonna tell him to pump Doge again? Not Tesla. Okay. Yeah, I think he's got a task force working on that. It's like, is this Tesla or not Tesla? So Lemonade not is not Tesla. That makes sense. Yeah. Why are you doing that, Rob? Avoiding the Tesla not Tesla conversation? Or do you really like Lemonade? He scared you? What do you do? Oh, my son, yeah. His hair freaked you out? You're a little bit more like Biscuit than you thought, huh? Remember when Biscuit peed himself when he saw me in my mask and my respirator? Yeah, that's pretty funny. Yeah, Tesla's not in a bad spot though, man. I think if we go back to our Apple book stock and stuff, or Apple model book stock looks pretty good. CE, what do we think about CE? It is Celanese. Not super familiar with that. Major text lag. Um, on my screen, or are you looking at chat? Looks like I'm in ultra low latency. Biscuit pees himself for that reason. Well, he was this was several months ago, so he's only 7 months old. He was pretty much a like middle of puppy years. He may still be middle of puppy years. I don't know, but no, I came in with a respirator on, and he freaking ran across. He barked up. He heard someone coming in the garage door, and he was down the hallway, so he couldn't see me. So I rounded the corner with a mask on as he was running towards the doorway that I was at, and he got to about 15 feet of it or so, and I rounded the corner with my mask on, and he started yelping like I was stabbing him with something. He was going and ran back into my wife's bedroom, our bedroom, peeing himself the entire way, and then ran in there and either pooped on the carpet or in my wife's arms. I don't remember which, but it was pretty it was pretty hilarious. I'm like, Biscuit, chill. All these dogs think everything's so fight or flight. It's like you don't realize you're in a human household. The only danger here is me. Oh, it was hilarious. Ellie, you would have loved it. You'd have been like, good job, Randy. Did the dog die? Oh, darn it. Well, good job anyways. Good job for trying. I think the pocket pivot's good. I mean, it came right on earnings. Um, it hasn't been really a major base since looks like at about this 140 level. We had a resistance here, here. It looks like we're just kind of trending up. So there's a bit of a base that formed here, kind of a cut base, and then this technically really would be nothing. Actually, technically, this might maybe resetting the base count right here for CE. Let me see. One, two, one, two, three. Yeah, so that would be a flat base. It was pretty funny. So this qualifies as a flat base. So this would actually reset the base count, is what it would do. And so you're in a different basing thing right now. He's been better. Just I think the key with dogs is not don't get one if it's under 2 years old because there's just a lot of work to do. Cats are easy. Cats are easy. All right, 0.17 for the Nasdaq, holding up really nicely. So check the global watch list. I'm not sure much else is going on at the moment. AMC. Wow, AMC appears to be pretty stable up here. I wonder if they did wipe the shorts out in AMC. I don't know. Skyworks. New highs for Skyworks. That's actually breaking out today. Oh, look at Skyworks. This looks pretty good. Had a couple of pocket pivots through here. Two right there. Maybe a third right there. And one yesterday. And today we're breaking into highs. So this looks like a potential cup and handle. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Yeah. Technically, it's just a cup, but you could infer a handle in here, and your buy point is down here about the 195. So we're not really too far away. Up about 2%. So that could be a yeah, Skyworks Communications right there. Are they chip makers? I know you mentioned AMD. That makes me. I think Skyworks Solutions is a chip maker. Oh, they have a deal going on. Where's my? Oh, here we go. Semiconductors. Yeah, there you go. Boom. That's a pretty good cup and handle actually. The volume is a little suspect. Not too bad. We did mention the pocket pivot, so that's a good thing. If you can't trade your dog to trade KG, why would you even get one? So we're gonna have Rob train our dogs for 2 years. That's what we're gonna do, Rob. You're gonna train our dogs for 2 years. You're gonna train trading dogs. That's what you're gonna do, and you're gonna sell them around the world. It's gonna be great. Sales 68%, EPS 103%. Okay, so yeah, Skyworks with potentially breaking out up in this area. 30 billion market cap. That's not Skyworks. That's not Skyworks either. That's not Skyworks either. I don't know how the I don't know how my computer works. Pretty good ratios all the way around. But yeah, Skyworks trying to move up right now. Go back to the actionable list. Right, blockchain. There's Soxel trying to get up, which is good. EXPI. That's in a very interesting position for sure. That's undercutting a significant amount of stuff, but not really in a bad way. Winnebago. C- CRISPR. Is this CRISPR? It is. CRISPR is some dope shit. Hey guys, give me a few minutes. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. What'd I miss? AMD looks good. Keep dog keeps squirrels out of the yard and slobbers on the kids. That's what yeah, that's what they're good for. And Ellie quoting a hip hop. So I had a funny hip hop song quote last night. It was I was talking about, hey James, you got some nice hair there, buddy. Until you go like your dad and go bald, and I go balding like your daddy. So play on stunting like my daddy by Birdman and Lil Wayne. It's pretty good. That's a pretty good one. Got AMD and CE. Yeah, let's take a look at AMD. Oh yeah, starting to move up. That looks real good. Just have earnings coming up tomorrow. So a little bit of a concern there, but is that the first chip earnings? That would be good to look at. You did get CE. Okay. All right. Yeah, that looks not bad. A little bit like a head and shoulders pattern, but if it rallies into 90 95, at least you've got options. So nothing major right there. Yeah, that's not too bad. I wonder, yeah, chip semiconductors. I wonder if anything is reported earnings in that sector yet. Semiconductors. Let's see if we can find, maybe it's in financials. Of course, couldn't find sales. Like, why the fuck would we be able to find sales? Which makes no sense. I've done this before. This computer's so damn slow. I'm at 48% memory. How are you even close to slow? What was I looking at? Earnings date. Okay, they may not show it on this. Evaluation. EPS market cap. I still don't believe they don't have just sales on here. That blows my mind. Um, it may not be. They may not consider it screenable, which is weird. I can't go fast with Windows. Yeah, probably. I do have a second half of this computer that's an Ubuntu installation, but I have other issues with Ubuntu, so it's catch 22. Plus, I don't think I can run Thinkorswim on it, which is really obviously something I really can't not do. Um, yeah, sales don't matter. Sales don't matter. Psh, like, come on, Finviz. Hey, what up, JJ? Yeah, AMD does look good. Yeah. Ellie already got some. You're late to the party. You're gonna buy 3 cents after him. Gosh, this is slow. Yeah, I don't know. Let's look at Intel. I know earnings dates are down here. There we go. April 22nd. So Intel already reported earnings. They handled it really well. Fuck. That's crazy. Yeah, AMD does look really good though. I restarted it yesterday. I know I should restart it often. I'm too lazy. You'd think every other day would be okay though. Yeah, like I said, just restarted yesterday. So yeah, INTC they did have earnings. They gapped down a little bit. We started before and after the stream, and in the middle of the stream. Every time you go to the bathroom, restart Windows. Yeah. Every time you look away from your computer, restart Windows. That's right. And NDM, Yeah, not too bad. Whenever the wind blows to the south, it's blowing to the north today, so we're good to go. Oh, and the north. That's what you're going to say next. Like, oh yeah, I forgot about the north blowing wind reset. I should just get me a Mac Mini, huh? Yeah, NNDM not too bad. I think it needs it's gonna need a little bit of time there, but it's doing good. MVIS consolidating a little bit. FUV joining the ranks of the leaders on the actionable list, but not really doing much right now. So you're telling me so you're telling me I have to put an open eye and my camera has to just look at it? That's pretty funny. That's pretty good. Stocks are 3.4. Yeah, AMD's looking pretty good. Yeah, that's probably one of the better looking type of support patterns right now. Chopping up the 200 and the 50, not in a bad way though. I don't think it's I don't think it's bad. I think everything's doing pretty good right now. We're just chipping and going sideways. Biggest hot tub manufacturer can't get one for love of money. Really? Can't get a hot tub? They're okay. I've got one. They're okay. I mean, they're not. They're kind of a maintenance bitch, to be honest with you, because they only hold like around 300 or so gallons of water. So you're always doing something to it. Man, AMD looks really good. There's Boeing. Haven't looked at Boeing in a while. Boeing consolidating around the 50. Not a bad, horrible spot to pick up some longer term Boeing. Did they? Yeah, we got ours in 2019. Yeah, January 2019. So we were a little bit out of the sales, but it was half a Christmas present, so it was kind of on sale for us. All it is a $50 a month electric bill. I don't know what it is if you get a gas one, but I'm not sure if it's worth it to get a gas one. What's Hertz Rent a Car doing? They're at zero. Are they still around? Mm. Mm-hmm. I see. Real RP. Who you still around? Or is it? Is that today? Okay, yeah, they're still around. Their stock ain't doing much. Their bid and their ask ain't even moving. VNTR. Oh, what's that one? That's interesting. That's actually pretty interesting, yeah. Venator Materials. Ooh, materials company. They better be doing something good. What's Finvism? Specialty Chemicals. There you go, Ellie. Chemicals. 493 million market cap. It's a UK chemical company, though, if that makes a difference. Insider transactions, negative 98%. It's always fun. Margins are slim. EPS isn't too bad, though. It's about the only metric that's good. What? Well, this is on the NYSE, so I'm not sure what you mean by you can't buy their stocks. You mean chemical companies in Europe you can't buy stocks? Why does my damn cursor look like a link? Hey, this does look pretty good. Volume dry up, pretty nice and sideways up here at the four under the $5 level. without knowing a bunch about it. Yeah, it's not too bad. You're saying people in the UK can't buy them? Well, that's projecting. Jeez. What do you? Yes. I did. I completely forgot. Sorry. Today's cold. I'll go when it's 100. Yes. I'm sorry. I didn't. I'm sorry, bud. You were having so much fun anyway, so it was all good. Oh, I told him I'd go in the pool on his birthday and I forgot. Yeah, he's a very good kid. He forgave me. He just came in to remind me. He's like, Dad, I'm going to hold this over your head as long as I remember for the next 3 minutes. All right, blockchain, moving back a little bit lower. FUV, Sell H, starting to look decent. Trying to bounce back a little bit. PLNHF actually looks pretty good. Pretty sideways here. For the most part, above the $6 level, 550, whatever you want to call it. AMD looks like a little bit of consolidation now. Had a good day so far, up 3.3%. That's quite a bit for AMD. MasterCard keeps poking up. That's good. Can't argue with that too much. Moderna, Peloton. What else we got up here? Square. How's Square doing? Choppy still. Yeah, so we're still consolidating. Tesla too. We can start popping up really anytime. We've been chopping up here in the highs of the Nasdaq for the past couple of weeks. So yeah, I think we could do pretty much anything at any time. I think I'm gonna bounce though, guys. Unless you guys have anything that's like really blockbuster or really good. I think I'm gonna get out of here. Take a break for my crypto show. AMD? No, AMD's good. I got no issues with AMD. I mean, what do you mean? It's not enough for me to buy? Um, no, I don't know. I don't think it is. I do have a Soxel position, which is kind of my I'm not a I think I have an Nvidia position too somewhere as well actually. Oh no, it's Netflix, I believe. Got it out for many months. Eesh, hope I don't have Netflix. Yeah, I do have a Soxel position, but is it Netflix? No, it must be. It's my big account then. It's not in this one. That's not bueno. You can't buy Soxel. Yeah, I thought Soxel was a good happy medium. No, it's in. I have Nvidia, so Nvidia's not too bad. Yeah, so I did buy some Nvidia, but I mean AMD. I think AMD's fine. I think bigger picture wise, it's still going up. I just don't know where that where we get taken from here. I mean, hopefully straight onward and upward, but yeah, like I said, it's okay. So I just traded Soxel to get the basket. Plus you get the three times performance. So I don't think you can really go. And so they're both up about 3% today. It's actually not bad. Yeah, there's Soxel and then AMD right there. Yeah, so they're right there in the 3% range. So all is good. All is good in the hood. And I still have some cash too, which is nice. Yeah. So doing pretty good. All right, guys. Yeah, I think I'm gonna bounce. I'm gonna get out of here. See you guys tomorrow. We'll see what the market's going to do. Keep an eye on Tesla for me. See how Tesla's doing. Just chopping up. Sitting up here, a nice little flag type of a mini cup, whatever it's doing. It does have earnings coming up. I know they announced the AI day sometime July. We'll see how that goes. Oh, that's today? They have earnings today. Ooh, earnings today. What, they got a conference call or what? Yeah, good stuff. All right, guys, I'm bouncing. See y'all later. Have a good one. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.